Sending money from India to Sri Lanka can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, you need to choose a suitable method for transferring funds. The most common methods are through banks, online money transfer services, and money transfer agents. First, if you choose to use a bank, you will need to visit your bank branch and provide the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account number. You will also need to provide your own account details and identification proof. The bank will then transfer the funds to the recipient's account in Sri Lanka. Alternatively, you can use online money transfer services such as PayPal, TransferWise, or Zoom. These services allow you to transfer funds online using your debit or credit card or your bank account. To use these services, you will need to create an account on their website, add the recipient's details, and initiate the transfer. Another option is to use money transfer agents such as Western Union or MoneyGram. These agents have a wide network of locations in India and Sri Lanka, and you can visit any of their branches to initiate a transfer. You will need to provide the recipient's details and pay the transfer amount in cash. Regardless of the method you choose, you will need to provide certain documents, including your identification proof, address proof, and proof of the source of funds. You will also need to check the exchange rates and transfer fees before initiating the transfer. It is also important to ensure that you are using a legitimate and authorized service to transfer funds. You can check the website of the Reserve Bank of India to find a list of authorized money transfer services. In addition, you should also be aware of the regulations and limits on transferring funds from India to Sri Lanka. The Reserve Bank of India has set certain limits on the amount of money that can be transferred abroad, and you should check these limits before initiating a transfer. Overall, sending money from India to Sri Lanka is a relatively simple process. And by following the right steps and choosing a suitable method, you can ensure that your funds are transferred safely and efficiently.